Hi, my name is George Mrad with Red Door Metro of Keller Williams Realty. If you're looking to sell your home for top dollar in Northern Virginia, it's imperative that your home gets maximum exposure, and my team has the 3 key elements to make that happen. First, we hire a professional photographer and we do a full CAD scan of your home, creating a powerful virtual tour for buyers to experience. So no matter how unique your property is, it will be fully appreciated in the digital world. In addition to photos, buyers can see exact measurements and floor plans of your home. Second, we develop a dedicated property website tailored to your home with your address as the URL domain name in order to bring all of these elements together. So anyone driving by can see your address.com, see the virtual tour, and view important information regarding your neighborhood, and more importantly, scheduling a showing right there on the spot. Third, I have over 20 years of real estate experience in the Northern Virginia metro market with thousands of homes sold. With our network of contractors, inspectors, stagers, and property managers, and other real estate professionals, our team is able to help you prepare your home for market in order to get top dollar. My clients know that I fight for their interests, and it's evident in so many ways. Our properties average days on the market, average amount above list price, and I'm most proud of our client reviews. Now, wherever you are at in the process, no question is too small when it comes to your needs, and it's my pleasure to help. Visit our website today at www.reddoormetro.com and get our mobile GPS app and see all the coming soon homes, local Northern Virginia real estate news and advice, and more importantly, click on the client review tabs to see what others are saying about their experience with us. Because right now, more than ever, it matters who you work with. Thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better